Welcome to my workshop, where creativity comes to life. Today, we're going to take you on a journey through the process of creating a custom footrest using the magic of CNC technology. Behold, our CNC machine in action. Watch as it masterfully carves through the palm material, precisely shaping each part of the footrest. With the power and precision of CNC, the possibilities are endless. Now, we move on to the next step, cutting the phenolic material. The CNC machine continues to impress, carefully crafting each intricate detail. The smooth and efficient process ensures the highest quality for our creation. And here we are, the culmination of our hard work. These materials have been transformed into a durable and reliable footrest. It's time to put it all together and witness the magic of craftsmanship. Ta-da! The finished footrest sturdy, adjustable, and ready to provide comfort and support. Our CNC creation is not just a footrest, it's a testament to the power of innovation and determination. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more amazing creations in the future.